Hello, welcome to Meichen Electric Appliances. Our company is located in China, Yiwu City, and we're shipping worldwide. And we have so many products. And as you can see in behind, we have steam irons, we have air fryer, we have heaters, we have so many products. And today I'm gonna show you one of the products. Our product is hand blenders. So this is the blender. It came with the boxes and have like a different 4 different language. There's an instruction here, you can read it. It has high quality, it's high quality, and there is also, it contains 4 different, and the first one here is like the hand blenders, and also here this is small, that mini blender, and there is a cup here, and here it's a mixer. So it has 4 different, and I'm gonna show you how does it work. So first I'm gonna plug it I'm gonna plug it, and here it has like 2 different speed. So, and also on the top you can rotate, can like adjust the minimum and the maximum of the speed. So first I'm use the first speed here, and when I use, and I can rotate, it can be high, I can control, and the second speed here. Nice. So, and then I'm gonna show you. So this is like, you can take it out, so you can use the mini blenders. So the mini blenders you put here, it's really nice, this one. After you adjust, you put it on it. So, and it's, make sure you close it on it. Make sure you close it on. And there is like it's a button here. So it's on and off, so it can be adjusted. So I can show you the first speed here, and second speed, and still you can rotate here. You can minimize. And let me show you the mixer, and also the mixer is also the same. It also is same. So it's also the same. You can put here, and so you can mix. Yeah, that's all our hand blenders. Thank you for watching.